Send an email to Jennifer Bell with the message, "Hi Jen, my morning's filled up. Can we change our 10 o'clock to 1 o'clock? Let me know, all right?"
And the subject should be?
Meeting today.
Should I?
Look, put your hand up. See if it'll land on your hand.
Oh, awesome.
Isn't that cool?
It's cool. Mom, look it. There's a butterfly on my hair. Wow.
This is Luna, the world's smallest 360-degree camera. You can easily take 360-degree videos with no blind spot with Luna. Such videos are usually shot with large, expensive rigs. To improve a better experience, we've been through many prototypes to make it smarter to work, lighter to carry, tougher to adventure, and simple to use. Finally, this is where we arrived. A 360-degree camera in a size just like a pool ball. So it's easy to carry anywhere. Or to explore vantage points never possible before. It's designed to be rugged, to suit the wild. Luna's IP68 waterproof rating ensures it can accompany you on your adventures on and off the ground. With built-in Wi-Fi, Luna can communicate with your mobile devices, which can remember the location of your videos and when they were shot. It not only can transfer data wirelessly, but also live stream real-time 360-degree video to iPhone, Android, and tablet. Even more, using virtual reality mode with cardboard makes this a truly immersive experience. Luna's magnetic adapter allows it to transfer data and charge power, while at the same time allowing you to attach it wherever your imagination goes. Performing for a packed audience tonight? Record it on your mic stand. This is Luna, a 360-degree camera for everyone.
Our phones are awesome, but they keep our hands busy and our heads down. Meet Norm Glasses, a new way to experience technology and the world around you in one breathtaking moment. Norm Glasses takes nearly all the functionality of your phone, refines it, and puts it right in front of you. A microcomputer is embedded inside the frame, complete with CPU, storage, battery, microphone, speakers, camera, and a display system that projects your desired information into your field of view. Hello? Answer phone calls.
Hey, Aaron!
Take photos and videos. Navigate in a new place. View videos or instructions. Translate languages. Set or see reminders. Stereo open-ear speakers on the frame arms allow you to listen to messages, podcasts, and music without blocking surrounding sound. Anywhere you go, head up and hands-free. Technology matters. Life matters. And when they come together in a way that brings out the best in both of them, it just makes sense. Enjoy life in style. Head up and hands-free. Back our campaign today and discover the new norm.
What if you had a desk that worked for you? It knows you, and it's ready to work just the way you like. It knows when you've been sitting too long and tells you to stand up. It keeps you synced with your team and sharpens your mind to help ideas flow best. It anticipates when you're hungry and places an order of something you'll love. It encourages movement to help you focus throughout the day and even finds you the time to relax. It stays in harmony with your body to keep you healthy and fit. And at the end of the day, it's got the fastest way to get you home. Now, what if I told you that this isn't the office of the future, but the office of your new everyday? Say hello to the AI-powered Smart Desk 3. Say hello to a workspace that works for you. Welcome to your